Just me.
Just you? Alright. You are all set up. You're gonna head on over to my friends at the credit transactors.
I want the same one.
I'm thinking elemental nature.
Protection and defense.
Protection and defense?
Yeah.
Alright.
It's going to be 12.99 credits. And it's going to go over your heart.
You're gonna paint this pin over your heart.
And you're going to go right here. See my friend Jackie? She'll get you all set up.
You can go over to the end here.
So, blue card. I'm going to do an elemental nature hilt. So they also give you a pen. They tell you to put over your heart. This is the nature of your hilt. So every nature gets a different pen. So it's going to be an experience, like 10 to 15 minutes. So let's go check it out.
Excellent, perfect. Just light. We're about to enter into the workshop. I'll have you all follow me. Just be very cautious, very quiet. Right?
Now you cry, I put it on film.
You filmed me crying.
Thank you. Welcome. Excellent.
Please take your pencils to the front of the table.
Welcome to the workshop. I know, it's a lot, but for us, it is everything. You've met some of my fellow gatherers here. You may call me Kyber. Now I know to some of you this may look like a lot of old junk, but let me assure you, some of it is new junk. We do this on purpose. We call ourselves the Gatherers because we search the galaxy for ancient relics, forgotten places, abandoned outposts, battle-ravaged planets, and what we find, we bring here. So where a stormtrooper might see worthless clutter, those who know see priceless history. And in these troubled times, preserving our past may well ensure a future. How many of you have heard the legend of Luke Skywalker? Yes, excellent. We hear that there is another, a new Jedi, one who started off as a scrapper like us. Do any of you know her name? Rey, yes, Rey. What she is leading is this spark of hope that we have been waiting for. And that is why you are here, to look ahead, and to build this. A lightsaber. The lightsaber has been wielded by some of our galaxy's greatest heroes and darkest enemies. It is elegant and enigmatic. Building a lightsaber is a work of art. The saber is a reflection of the builder, with a force flowing between them. Today, you will feel that connection. But I could talk forever. Let's begin. We start off with the most important part of the lightsaber, the Kyber crystal, able to focus the energy of the force to magnify it. Some have called the Kyber crystal the heart of the lightsaber. The color of the crystal reveals the color of the blade. You may recognize some of these from the greatest Jedi heroes in history. The blue crystal, wielded by the great master Obi-Wan Kenobi, his apprentice Anakin Skywalker, and now Rey. Green, Ahsoka Tano, Qui-Gon Jinn, Master Yoda himself, and Luke Skywalker. The violet crystal, rare and beautiful, like the one wielded by Mace Windu. Red. It has been called the color of power, the crystal of Darth Maul, Asajj Ventress, Darth Vader, and now Kylo Ren. But these are stories of the past. We are here for you, our future. It's time for you to choose your Kyber crystal, the heart of your lightsaber. Builders, close your eyes. In your mind's eye, I want you to picture crystals of all the colors we've talked about. One of these crystals shines brighter than all the others. Your crystal. Now open your eyes and take your Kyber crystal. You can hear them singing. Excellent. Now, place your crystal on your green crystal holder in front of you. Now it is time to join your Kyber crystal to your lightsaber design that you have selected. It's time to build the hilt of your lightsaber. This is the foundation of your saber. It is your center of control. It's also the part that keeps your hands from disintegrating. In the boxes in front of you, you will find all of the lightsaber parts that you have chosen. These parts have come through time. From a long time ago, across the galaxy, to be here for you in this moment. In the boxes you will find the chassis, the grips, the emitters, the pommel caps, and the activation plates. Now, building a lightsaber is a personal journey, just as you chose your Kyber crystal. Now you will choose the parts that make up your own unique saber. The gatherers are here to guide you along this process should you need help. Now, let's build!
Welcome travelers, my name is Ashley. I'll be your gatherer today. I'm going to start by taking your Kyber crystal here. Now the slightly smaller part here will be the top, and then the wider part will be the bottom. Now we'll bury this with your chassis. This is the top of your chassis with those lines. It's a good thing this is a dud crystal or we'd be in trouble. So the top of your crystal will go in towards the top of your chassis. There's sort of a spring mechanism there. Perfect. So you should be able to spin it when it's in place. Very well done. A natural crystal placer there. Now you're going to choose one of your sets of activation plates on the far right of your box. Beautiful. You'll choose one as well. Now if you look at your chassis, we have the red and the blue squares there. On the inside, we have the blue and a red square on your activation plates as well. So whenever you've selected your activation plates, you'll be popping the blue and the blue, and then the red on the red. And they'll kind of snap in together. You might hear your crystal spark a little. And this is how you're going to activate and, there you go, activate and deactivate your saber with these plates. They're very important. There we are. Next is the fun part. We get to choose two of your grips. Now these are very easy. The wider part with the bronze on yours as well goes in towards the activation plates. There's a little bit of threading in there. So you're going to give slight pressure here at the top of your grip, and then just kind of twist it, about a quarter twist to get it to lock into place. Go ahead and take a look. It can be difficult to choose which of the 4 grips you'd like, but you get 2 of them, so that should make it a little easier. Just a little bit of pressure there, and about a quarter of a twist until you feel it lock into place, and then it won't pop off if you try and pull it away. Then you're going to flip your chassis, do the exact same thing on the other side, just with a different piece. If you have any difficulty, let me know. I'm used to working with the scrap metal, so I can whip it into shape if I need to. Here on the stem, just that little bit of pressure. Perfect. Yes, wonderful. That looks good. The Cartesian whalebone and the band of leather. Well done there. Next, you're going to choose one of your emitters here in section 3, and that's going to go on the open end of your chassis. This is where the blade is going to be coming through, so you want to pick one that's open already, or you'll be slicing right through your rainbow tooth, and nobody wants that. Is that piece giving you any trouble?
It is kind of giving me trouble here.
Let's see. We can take a look. So let's see. Blue to blue. It doesn't have any threading in it.
Well,
That might be part of your problem. Let's see.
could be.
Here we are. Let's try this one instead. Of course. See if that one wants to behave any better. Perfect. That was the problem. then up next, from section 3, you'll choose your emitter. That's going to go on the open end of your saber right there. And then finally, your pommel cap. Either a Rancor tooth for you or the closed metal part. You really can't go wrong. That's going to go on the base of your saber there. On a nice strong base of your saber. So whichever one you like best, if you want to try them both. See which one you like, go for it. You want this to be as reflective of you both as it can be, so go ahead and try your options if you need to. Once you're complete with your design, you'll just place them in this model in front of you and we'll do a final safety check.
Yes. Exactly. They can be useful for other things.
Ooh, I like it.
You're in good hands.
Ancient relics.
There we go.
Excellent. This is my favorite kit to build with. I especially love the pen that comes with it.
The what? Oh.
The pen, yeah. So it has the Savi and Savi's logo on it. So it's like you're carrying around a piece of your build all the time. Perfect. Wonderful. I can go ahead and move these out of your way.
Nature. But on these, do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Neither do I. We're not sure.
Now for your reference, to activate the shop, use the deactivate orange button down.
Throughout the galaxy, we're looking to cast light on each other.
Congratulations.
Maybe as you meditate with your new saber, maybe you'll have illumination on it. You can let us know. That would be wonderful. Everyone take a moment. Appreciate what you have built here. You have built the hilt of your lightsaber. And nothing unexpected or traumatic has happened, because this is the dangerous part. Everybody step back. Think we're ready? We now have to stabilize the crystal for activation. This is very tricky, and it should only be done by someone with a lot of experience and a lot of training. Right now, they are inserting your lightsaber hilt into the crystal stabilization chamber. Hopefully we won't have a blowout, especially if the emitter matrix is inverted. We could have some serious problems. So everyone stand by and what is happening?
With many parts you began, yes. With the heart of the saber they are joined. Much more they will become. It is time.
Master Yoda. It is indeed time. You have reached the final part of the process. The bond between lightsaber and builder is about to be forged. In a moment, I will ask you each to step forward, place your hands on the hilt of your lightsaber, and then, on my signal, all together, activate. Are you ready? Yes. Then it is time. Step forward. Activate. Builders, raise your lightsabers. You have built a lightsaber, like the Jedi and Sith that came before you. And like them, you too can change the galaxy. Remember, it only takes a spark. Please deactivate your sabers.
Complete your lightsaber is. Choose your path it cannot, but light your way it can. May the Force be with you.
Thank you, Master Yoda. In your hands you hold remarkable power. And remarkable power should never be dropped on the ground. So to protect your new lightsaber, we are pleased to present each of you with a saber sheath as you depart. Now our time together is at an end, but your journey is just beginning. It is time to make your mark on the galaxy. Remember, you are each as unique and extraordinary as the lightsabers you have created. And who knows, maybe next time we'll be telling your story. Till the spire.
Till the spire.
Thank you.
I swear I'm not crying.
No? Are you
That
sure
was not beautiful.
So an elemental nature saber. The rank carbon hilt. Another grip.